Have you brushed your teeth, guys?
Yeah, I have. I have.
What are you watching?
Storybuds. I was the cook.
Our chef is one outstanding cook. Knows every dish that's in the books. From steaks to fish that's off the hook. And burgers large and small. Spaghetti, pizza, breakfast rolls. Delicious little casseroles. Donuts with or without holes. The chef can make it all.
Lisa, did you homework?
I even did tomorrow's homework. But I'm doing reading.
Let's see whose bed is made and who's messy.
Because you didn't do my bed.
Poor Moana. Say hi to the YouTube watchers. This is all they do, YouTube watchers. So if you're listening to their videos, these are what they do. They just sit around. They don't even clean up. They just sit around.
I'll clean up then.
Okay, this is somebody attempting to clean up.
Mommy, they have to hear my song. It's my favorite.
And somebody's bed is so messy up here. Look at all her dolls. Oh, jeez. Hi, Dad. Say hi to the YouTube watchers.
I eat all day, I sleep all night, I chew like that, I have big eyes, I don't eat meat, I have big thighs.
Okay. Thanks, Lisa. Say bye.
Bye.